Hey you guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have decided to do a no mirror makeup challenge. I know this is an ancient challenge, but I really wanted to challenge myself, you know? As you guys know, the rule is no mirrors in front of you, no reflections, no nothing. I have nothing to see myself in. I have to literally put makeup on and see, I don't know, in space. It's gonna be really weird. Okay, let me just like mentally prepare myself. Okay, let's do this. So first thing I'm gonna do is apply some foundation. I've already prepped my face. Okay, here we go. This is happening. Oh my gosh. I feel like I should do this pretty well because I know my face by heart, but I feel like I put a lot of foundation in this side. I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna go do a half face of this side and then move on to this side of the face because I feel like then I'll be somewhat in control of what I'm doing. Okay, let's get the other side of my face. I'm just gonna go over my eyes. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply some concealer. I'm using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I think I put a lot. Oh my gosh, I can feel it. I can feel that I put a lot. I'm gonna go over my eyes as well. Going in here. Going over my eyes. Okay, now that is done. What do I do next? I'm scared. I'm gonna fix up my face using my Too Faced Translucent Powder. Got some of the powder on my brush. First, I'm gonna slightly tap out underneath my eyes. I hope this makeup turns out well because I have to get somewhere after this. Oh shit. Got a bigger brush to fix up my face. Blend around my neck. A little on my forehead. Okay, moving on to contouring, I'm just gonna take my Banana Browns powder. This is from MAC Cosmetics. Oops, there's a mirror, but I did not see myself. I did not see myself. Closing that mirror up. Okay, how to do this? Wait, I have an idea. I'm gonna take a brush. Is there something happening? Oh my gosh. I'm removing this out and blending it because I don't want any sharp lines. Some around my head, side of my nose. I'm gonna move on to some blush. I'm gonna be using my Benefit Coralista. I think this also has a mirror. Let me just feel it. Yes, it does. So I'm not gonna see that. A really easy way to apply your blush is smile. Not too much, because you don't want your blush to start from all the way here, because if you're gonna smile like this, creepily, you're gonna be starting your blush all the way from here, and that's not nice. Just smile like slightly. Let's move on to the highlighter. This one does not have a mirror, good. I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty highlighter. I like to go in with all these three shades, and now highlight. You know what will be challenging more than like no mirror challenge on me? I should blindfold myself and put makeup on someone else. I think that would be super challenging as well. I'm gonna apply some of that highlighter on the bridge of my nose. I think the easy part of this makeup challenge is done. I think the hard part is gonna be eyebrows and eyes. So I'm gonna be just taking my MAC Brow Kit. There's a mirror, not seeing, I'm closing that up. I'm not cheating, you guys. I'm gonna dip in with these two colors. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard. Oh my god. Now the challenge is getting hella hard, you guys. Okay, I think that's enough for this side. I don't know what I'm doing. Come on, Sheila, please. You've done this like a million times. Am I doing good so far? Say yes. I feel like that did not go well. I feel it. I know it. I'm taking my Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. Save me, please. I'm gonna take this as my transition color right over here, and I'm going right on my crease with this. Oh, Jesus. I'm really excited to see the outcome of this makeup look, you guys. I'm pretty excited. Is that enough? I think that is enough. Okay, I'm gonna take this shade color over here. Here is when it gets tricky. Oh my gosh, okay, I need to put my palette down for this. I need to feel my eyes. And I'm gonna just tap it in the inner corner of my eyes. I hope there are not going to be any fallouts. Very gently tapping it because I don't want any fallouts, because that's going to be a disaster. Okay, doing the same thing in the outer corner of my eyes. Now that is done. I'm going to be taking this shade over here on my finger and going to pop that in the center of my eyes. I hope it is like looking pretty. I need to close my eyes to get like serious concentration. I don't know what I'm doing. Taking a smaller brush and taking this deep brown shade over here, and I'm gonna squint my eyes like this, and right over here where you see the line, right over there, I'm gonna put this shade. I like doing this technique because it gives my eyes a really nice smoked out gradient effect. So going back to the magenta color, I'm gonna apply that closest to my lash line. I poked my eyes. The whole brush went inside my eyes. Ow! Ow! That was not fun. Going back to the green eyeshadow and applying that in the lower eyes, right over here. I have so much eyeshadow in my eyes. It is crazy. So now I'm gonna take some of this powder and dust away any fallouts I have. Hopefully that should do. Oh my god. Oh no, eyeliner. This is gonna be even more scarier. Okay. Guys, how am I gonna do this? Oh my god. This is gonna be really a task. Okay, concentrate. I don't know if I want to do the wing. Let's try and do the wing. Oh my gosh, I felt like that went really high. I don't know if I got a wing, but I feel definitely this eyes was hella messy. I feel like that went so horribly wrong. Okay, let's move on to mascara. I know there is mascara all over my face. Lower lash. Poke my eyes. Should I do eyelashes? Scared. I'm so scared. Let's do it because it is just makeup. It's not like it's a surgery, you know? And this is a challenge. It's a fun challenge. Who cares if I don't put it right? I do! Oh, this is gonna be so bad. I'm smiling to myself because this is gonna be so hard. I just hope I don't glue my eyes shut. That would probably be the worst thing ever. Let's do this. Hell to the no. Where are you? Oh my god, I can't feel it. Okay, gotcha. That was a fail. Let's try that out again. Come on, I should get this. At least one lash is right. One. That's all I ask for, God. Just one lash. Okay, got that on. Oh no, I feel like I put it way too close to the inner side of my eyes. Well, at least it's on. Gotcha. Okay. My eyes are burning. Feel like I got glue all inside my eye. Okay. Please let me not go blind today. Please let me not go blind today. Today is not the day, God. Moving on to the lips. So I'm gonna take a dark shade, you know, because for the fun of it. I could go for the light one, but it's more daring when it's a darker shade. This is from Dance With Me Retro Matte Lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. And let's fix this up with some Fix Plus and seal the deal. Okay guys, so it's time. Let's take out the mirror and see how I did this look. Okay, so here is the moment of truth. Are you guys ready? I am not ready for this. But let's do it. Gonna count of 1, 2, 2.5, 2.25, 3. I'm so scared. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Oh my god. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, run away. Run away. Run away fast. This is not happening. Oh no. My lipstick looks like Miranda Sings. My eyebrows. Okay. My eyelashes, dude. Like, what? I thought this eye would be better than this eye. And I got a double wing. Okay, I was not going for that, but okay. Got a lot of mascara all over my eyes. Got lipstick on my teeth. That's always sexy. This is really bad. This is so bad. I really thought I would do better than this, you guys. And this... I also challenge you guys to do this challenge and tag me in them because I would love to see how you guys do it. I love watching these kind of videos, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to smack my video with a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification bell below so that way you do not get to miss any more videos that I put out. And that's about it. I will see you in the next one. Bye!